Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily increase text size that appears throughout your windows and your apps in your PC. You can perform this method by doing as I am showing you. You have to go to Windows icon in the taskbar and right click on it. Then you have to go to settings of your PC. After going to settings, you have the option here. You can see accessibility. After click on the accessibility on the left side, you will see a text size option on the right side in the accessibility column. You have to click on accessibility. You can see that text size preview is shown here. This text size will change when you increase or decrease text size. You have to move this bar for increasing text size. As you see that how it looks in the preview bar. After you doing this, you can apply this setting. As you can see, I have applied. Then again you can also decrease it and click on apply. By doing this, you can increase or decrease text size in your PC. Thanks for watching this video.